My version of a laksa using locally available ingredients. Make a paste by blending together red chili peppers, garlic, ginger and onion, the white part of lemongrass, paprika, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, lemon juice and oil. So much flavor in here. Now season a chicken breast with salt and then spread some of the paste over it. Marinate for 10 to 15 minutes and then cook for about 10 minutes. Once it's ready, set it aside. Then, make the laksa broth, cook the remaining paste for a couple of minutes and then pour in a whole box of Kara UHT coconut milk. This coconut milk is thick and creamy, so I add just a little bit of water to create a nice soup. Season with salt, balance with a little sugar and simmer. Then cook some instant noodles, traditionally rice noodles, and then put it all together. Over the noodles, place the sliced chicken, sliced carrots, sliced snap peas, roasted sweet corn, coriander leaves, red chillies, and finally that creamy delicious laksa soup. It's a literal bowl of happiness.